Welcome to this video on how to use the filter function in Google Sheets. Just going to be clear though, it's going to be a nice and short video, just going to cover some of the basic functionality. This should be enough though to get you going. So what you need to do in Google Sheets, I've got some data, got country and sales, they're the columns. And what I need to do is click on this icon here, this little funnel, which is the filter icon. So just click on that. You can see it's all highlighted it now, and we've got an extra couple of little buttons on there. They are going to be the filter menus. So if we click on country and click on the little filter icon, I can sort A to Z. There we go. Australia, Brazil, Canada, China. Z to A. It's quite obvious what's happening here. But with sales, if we do A to Z, it goes the smallest number to the highest number. Okay, so that's how you do it in there as well. Couple of little things. Let's make some of this text a different color. So make it red. I'll make that one red as well. Click on that. I can filter by text color, red. There we go. Only shows that one. I use this undo button, takes me back. Nice and easy. Other things I can do in here. So I've got these elements here. I can filter on certain numbers. Let's do it by country. It's easier by country to show you. So I can clear, which removes the tick next to all of these. I can then tick the ones that I want. I can type in other ones on the list as well. So England, I'll tick that one. I'll press OK, and it's showing the ones I've had ticked. If I want to make the change, click on it again. And what I can do, I can clear or I can select all. Press OK, brings it all back again. And you know that a filter's been applied because you've got a little filter icon there. Okay. Great function on Sheets though, you can just undo these things. So if you want to go back to what the results were in the very beginning, before I applied any filters, there you have it. Anyway, hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll keep on making Google Sheets videos to help you all.